Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas, and I'm the Day Trader. I go live every morning for the opening bell and every evening for the closing bell. And sometimes later on in the evening, we have the earnings reports. Full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor. In fact, no, I'm the world piano man. This is my TV studio where I go live every day and do music concerts in the evening. You can see we've got the yellow and blue of Ukraine right now. This is where we do live concerts. But during the daytime, I like to trade and have a family and community around the world who join me as we trade and invest in our futures to give us financial freedom. So welcome everyone. I hope you're all well today. It's lovely to have you all here. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. Here it is. Here's my position right now. And give us a thumbs up. We like to get to 20 likes before the bell goes, which is in 24 minutes from now. This is my full live position. Everything you see here is real and genuine. This is my complete position right now, what you're looking at here. Everything here is my own money, my full life savings, all in front of you. Nothing else. It's all here. So it gives you a full indication of what I've got. And every day we trade it live, and we are joined by a team of traders around the world who also share with you all their positions, all their live trades. Everything you see here is 100% genuine, upfront and real. Welcome everybody. All right, let's have a quick look at where we are. As you can see, first of all, if I go over to the trading screen here, you will see that we are down today on the hour. We are down 1% on the hour, and if we look on the sorry, a minute, I beg your pardon. Down on the day, we are down at the moment. After hours, we're down 1%, as you can see at the moment. But we're hoping that's going to recover this morning, because there is talks going on, peace talks going on. No one really expects anything great to come from it, but you never know. You never know. We can be hopeful. Right, let's get straight over to the main trades. If you're over there on TikTok, good morning to all of you. Welcome. Guess who has got a Truth Social account? Guess who is now live on Truth Social? Do you want to see my account? Of course you do. Here you go. Look, let's bring it up. I'm now on Truth Social. Here is my Truth Social account. I haven't got the Day Trader one yet. The Day Trader one is waiting to go live. But here is the Martyn Lucas. So if you go to Truth Social, let me give you want to be the very first followers. I'm one of the first persons in the world to get it. As you'd expect, my handle on my username is @Martyn Lucas. If you can get onto Truth Social, go and follow me. You can be one of the first to follow me. So there you go. I've got 16 followers already, and there is my account. It looks exactly like Twitter. I mean, literally exactly like Twitter. It is basically Twitter. I think it's Donald Trump's little go at Twitter there. I find it's quite entertaining. But there is my account. If you want to be the first to follow me, it's a great time to get in, because everyone's looking for someone to follow. Everyone's looking for someone to get involved with. So over there on TikTok, good morning. Thanks for the follow. Everything you see on the screen here is my live position. We've sold all our Bitcoin, sold all our crypto. There you go. Come and join me on Truth Social. It's @Martyn Lucas. All right. I've also got @The Day Trader as well. You can also follow me there as well. Should I show you that as well? If I go into, you can search for people. So if I go The Day Trader, I can't actually access my account at the moment. But there is the Day Trader. Oh, hang on, that's a tag, isn't it? The Day Trader profiles. There you go. The Day Trader. Okay, I am there. Just can't get to my own account right now. So there I am. Look, the Day Trader. I've only got one follower, which is me, because I can't access it yet. I can't put anything on there, but I am there. There you go. All right. So if you want to come and join me, I've got 18 followers now. Look, as you can see, it's going up as we do it. There you go. Join me. I'm one of the first on the Truth Social. It's working very well right now. It didn't the first few minutes, but it's working well now. All right. Welcome, everybody. If you've just tuned in, everyone, welcome. Peru Invest is here. Let's bring Peru Invest onto the screen. Hello, everyone. There he is. Muznella is here. Bill is here. Good morning. Good morning. There we go. We've got our top big traders here this morning. Muznella and Peru Invest are in the house. Now, then, we're off and running, but let's have a look at all the stocks. Root, 155. The trading loss expired at 151. The trading loss expired at 151, and I just let it expire. It's off the screen right now. So at the moment, let's ask Peru. Where do you see Root going today? Any ideas of where you see Root going today? I set my stop loss at 151. It's at 155 right now. So what do you think? Let's get your opinion on that. Let's see what he has to say about that. Be interesting to know. All right, we're off and running. And let's see who follows me first. Let's see who follows me first on Truth Social. I've got 18 followers. I literally started last night. Very excited. Over on TikTok, thanks for the follow. Roycott, Cheer. Is it Claren? Claren Ralph. Thank you ever so much indeed. Welcome, welcome. All right, let's have a look. SoFi is down 1.4. VU is down 0.33. I'm still up though on VU. Shows you the point of owning that. It's 20% of my it's 13.5% of my portfolio. I'm growing it to 20. Tesla is down 1.56782. Rivian is down 2.37. Virgin Galactic is down 1.37, down 5% on it now. Amazon, I'm up 2%. On Amazon, $61. Nicholas Morello, no back news over the weekend. A lot of good news with Ukraine saying breakthrough in talks, and yet the market is down. Makes no sense. Hey, mate, the markets never make sense, do they? When do the markets ever make sense? Hi, Dan. Welcome to you. All right, we've got 9 likes. Let me check the screens. All the screens are looking good. Yep. Fantastic. Over here on YouTube, if you want to see what we look like on TikTok, let me show you. Bring it into the screen. Let me bring it up there now. This is our Twitter account. Sorry, TikTok account. Root and TLRY is low risk, high profit in future. I'm keeping both. I am up 30% on Muln. There you go. Muln again this morning. The reason why I've not gone for that is I've got enough invested in EVs, so my portfolio would be outweighted if I bought any more of that. So you've got to keep balance your portfolio as well. The day trader. So let's have a look here. Let me change my account to Martyn Lucas, and then go discover, and I'll bring up my TikTok account. There we go, and you can see it on the screen. All right, this is the new fancy screen that we've got from Peru Invest. See it? This screen here. Much better for my TikTok audience. They get a much better experience, and that's going to get better over the next few days. I've got some nice black tiles to go around the TV screen to bring out the color, so that's going to get even better. All right, I think I'll be closing my position today for 1% loss. I don't want to hold it into Fed meeting. We'll await the outcome. There you go. That's what Dan feels this morning. Great. All right, if you want to join me on Truth Social, I'm one of the first in the world to get it. There it is. There's my Martyn Lucas account. It's at Martyn Lucas. You can also join me at The Day Trader. All right, The Day Trader hasn't got any content yet because I can't quite access it, but I can access my Martyn Lucas one. I would expect, because I'm only a couple behind, literally two behind in the waiting list for the day trader. So I should have the day trader in a matter of moments, I would imagine. Why? Fed meeting has been priced in. There we go. Nicholas Morello, that's his opinion. Let's get back to the trading screens. All right, here we go. We are down at the moment, 329, 15 minutes to go. Let's bring up the timer. Here we go, before the bell goes. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. We need 20 likes before the bell goes. And welcome all our friends. This morning I was quite moved by one of my events on, my Ukraine event. I had somebody from for somebody from Ukraine, the front line of Ukraine. I was like, really like, wow. Literally, look at this. I'll share with you. Look at this. I can share it with you. Somebody from the center of Ukraine actually listened to my music over the rainbow. I was quite touched by it. I want to share it with you. Look at this. Right, this is my True Social. Can you see here? Look again here. I'll bring it up for you. Look on the screen. You'll see somebody here from Ukraine. Actually, there you go. See him on the screen right there now. It's hard to see, but they commented and they said thank you for supporting us over in Ukraine. I was like, wow, I couldn't believe it. I was quite touched by that. It's actually quite incredible when you see it as well. I've got some information that I can actually share with you if you're interested, and I can actually show you the people actually are listening to my music in Odessa, Kiev. It's unbelievable. It's quite. I feel involved, and that's what I wanted to do with my music. I wanted to feel involved with my music, so people would actually, I'd actually be able to play my part, and that's actually what's happening. It's really incredible to see it on the screen. Good morning, Dr. Smith. Here he is. Dr. Smith is here. Here, look. I want to share with you this. Look. Here, look at this. On the screen right now, you'll see this is my video from Over the Rainbow. This is Ukraine. Look at this. Kiev, look, 58 people in the Kiev city. Kiev Oblast. You can move all around, look, the areas of Kiev. In the Lviv, the west, most people watched it there. 123 people. And that's interesting, isn't it? Because they're in the war right now, so this is the most difficult part. And in the West, they've gone to get, sanctuary and it's less bombing. I mean, there is bombing there, but less. And look, 123 people yesterday listened to Over the Rainbow in Kiev. Can you believe it? It's just very that's very powerful to me, to think that people are actually listening to my music. I'm playing my part in Odessa and Kiev and all that. It's absolutely incredible. Anyway, back to the shares. We've got 12 minutes to go right now. Welcome everybody over there on TikTok. Thanks for the follow. Thank you much indeed. Welcome to all of you. You're seeing my live shares on the screen. Let's have a look. Root is now 155. We're up at the moment. 1.31. SoFi is down 1.52, down at 842 now. I'm 10% down, but actually lower than that, because if you remember, I bought and sold several times. Dr. Smith is here. Welcome to you all. Right, let's have a look. Let's get the likes up. We need 8 more likes in the next 11 minutes. Subscribe and ring the bell. There it is, and give us a thumbs up. There we go. 11 minutes to go before the pre-market begins here on Robinhood. Let's go. Let's look at our crypto right now. As you all know, Dr. Smith, I don't know if you know this. I don't know if I've spoken to you since it happened, but I've sold all my Ethereum on all my Bitcoin. I feel that it's not doing very well. It's let itself down. I feel strongly that Bitcoin and Ethereum and any decent crypto should be worth more right now because of what's going on, because of inflation, because of the war, because of insecurity, all those things. That is the reason why crypto should be doing well, and it's doing the absolute opposite. It's doing the opposite. It's not living up to expectations at all. So I've sold it all. I did it for a wash. I even lost. I took a $700 loss on Ethereum because it just keeps on dropping. I feel that's the right thing to do right now. I don't see the opportunity like I used to. It should now be doing what it should be now doing what it was designed to do, and it's not. There's a lot of fear in it now. I don't have fear in it. I just feel my money is better placed somewhere else. That's the only reason why I'm out. Simple as that. I think my money's worth more elsewhere. The Queen of Self-Braiding is here with a fancy new icon, by the way, Queen. I like it. I like it. All right, 9 minutes ago. Raphael G. Hi, this shows cryptos are not a safe... This shows cryptos are not safe haven. This shows cryptos are not a safe haven. Bitcoin, Ethereum, I don't think they are, if that's what you're getting at. I don't think they are. I think I like what... I mean, obviously, I'm a advocator of crypto, Bitcoin. I like it. It's why I bought it. But right now, it's not performing as it should, and I don't think I'll be doing myself a favour staying in. I think there are great opportunities right now with my money. To be honest with you, I mean, to be honest with you, it's I've watched a lot of these videos recently on YouTube, and they're making me laugh the more and more because they'll whatever the patterns and charts show you. Whatever they will say, they can see something in it. If it goes up, this is where it's about to break. Then when it falls back down again, this is where it's supposed to fall. It just really seems very transparent now that a lot of people do not know what they're talking about and seem to want to promote something they don't understand, and the rest of the world doesn't understand it either. Because if it was all the things it's claimed to be, which is why I bought into it, it shouldn't be performing like it is now. You know, and it's it looks like people are willing it to do something. They want it to do something because they're invested in it. Well, I just took the decision to sell it and take a loss on it. The entire market has been affected by inflation, the war, and other factors. Yes, but that's what Bitcoin was invented for. It's what crypto was invented for. It's supposed to be a hedge against inflation. And during a war and during a time of uncertainty, this should be booming. And it's doing the very opposite. So I'm very unimpressed with Bitcoin right now. And you shouldn't just sit on it and go, well, still believe in it. The situation has changed. The fundamentals have changed. Some of you will say they haven't changed, but in my opinion, they have. Anyway, thousands were watching a fake live stream with Elon and Kathy yesterday. That was live months ago. With sole purpose of getting people to buy. Absolutely, I've said this time and time again. Drives me absolutely crazy. People are absolutely stupid, and I'm going to say this again. When you see the Kathy Wood, the Michael Saylor live videos, they're just restreams. I can do it, but what I do is when I go live and it says live on the screen, I put replay on the screen to tell you this is a repeat, replay, or whatever. They don't. They run the same thing over again, and they call it live. And not everyone, the majority of people, when they see live on YouTube, they think it's live. They're not tech savvy. They don't know you can restream. They don't know you can be live but not live. All live means is you are streaming it to the service. That's all it means. It means you are streaming this service right now. This is live right now, and you know it's live because you can ask me a question and I'll read your name out. Raphael G, gold was better. That proves I'm live, right? I'm engaging in you right now. But if I'm not talking to you or answering you, and you think, hang on a minute, these comments are out of date, this isn't the right price for Bitcoin, this isn't live. And if you keep restreaming over and over and over and over again the same videos that are time sensitive, then you are obviously influencing the market. And that's all it is. Big YouTubers do it all the time. They just want you to follow them to make money, and and that's the point. They can afford to lose money on their crypto because on average they're earning $10,000 a video. Do 3 of those a day, that's 30 grand a day. So you don't mind losing money on your stocks or your crypto because you're getting paid to be entertaining, right? Gold was better. I'm not into gold either right now. I do see the benefits of crypto. I really do. But I'm starting to see through it a little bit and think it's too influenced by dishonest people. So anyway, one tweet, Bitcoin pump, order and dump. That's right, Raphael G. You're absolutely right. Okay, if you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Welcome to the show. What you're seeing here now is my real shares, my real stocks. Welcome, welcome. Give us a thumbs up. We need 8 more likes in the next 6 minutes. We're a bit quiet this morning. I know why. No one's got used to the time changes, have they? Gold has to drop more before I nibble on it. Yeah. I see better opportunities elsewhere. That's why I'm not in it. Right. If you've just tuned in, my goal is to make 2,000 today, and I'll screenshots. Just don't copy my trades. My goal today actually is just to rebalance my portfolio. I'm not looking to trade this morning, just looking to rebalance. Worth moving money into XRP. No, don't believe in that either. Don't believe in XRP either. If I'm involved in any crypto, it'd be Bitcoin and Ethereum. And right now, I've moved my money out. So I've sold it all. I even took a loss. And I was quite happy to do so. Right, we've got 4 minutes to go. If you've just tuned in, welcome, welcome, welcome. We're on 2,395 subscribers to the channel. We're coming up to a year old in June. So welcome to all of you. We've got just time to hear very quickly from our sponsors. Click an ad. You can skip it. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. And we're back. Good morning, Dave. You mean Dan? My goal is to make... I think you mean Dan, don't you? Don't see. Is Dave in the chat today? No, I think Musanella meant Dave. Dan, sorry. I think so. Not really sure. Anyway. SoFi is down 1.4. VU is up, 0.36. Tesla is down 1.43. Dan, that's what he meant. Thought so, Moose. How are you? SBCE down 1.37. Thank you ever so much, everybody who supported Zach last week for our premiere video. Now what we've got to do is line up for him a fundraiser event, which we will do very, very soon. And let me see if anyone has just joined me this morning on Truth Social. Let's have a look. 18 followers right now. This is my new account on Truth Social. For those of you not yet used it, this is it here. It's a bit of a crazy time right now. It's like the OK Corral. Everyone's looking to follow somebody. So it's a great time to get in if you're an influencer like me. It's great. I got 18 followers within a few hours of being on it. So I'm quite chuffed with that. So yeah, go and check me out. It's at Martyn Lucas for the music. And the day trader is at the day trader. I can't show you the day trader yet because it's not able to access it. But you can still follow me if you can get on there. Good morning, Musanella. Good luck. Okay, over there on TikTok, good morning to you. Thanks for the follow, Vad. Right, we've got 1 minute to go. Here we go. Bring up the timer. 1 minute to go. Can we get some more likes on the board? We're a bit quiet on likes today. We need 20 likes before the bell goes. This is the quietest we've been for ages. I can only think it's because everybody's behind on the 1 hour. Most people are asleep. Really? Get up. Set your alarm. What's going on? Yep. All my streams are good. Just checking all that. 13 likes. We're coming up. 16 watching. 20 seconds to go before the pre-market. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. The pre-market is now open. We can start to trade. Here we go. All right, there we go. Good stuff. We're live now once again. Able to trade. Let's go straight into our trade and see what's moving this morning. Okay, here we go. So, we're off and running. Right now on the pre-market, we are down 0.5%, 34. This is our all-time lows, by the way. all-time lows, just in case you're wondering. But is that any surprise, really? Inflation, COVID. Who has heard the news as well? We've got major problems with China now. China has issues with, let me just fix that over on TikTok. There we go. China has now issues with 2 million people who are quarantined again, I believe. That's right. So that's interesting. Russia are asking China for weapons to fight in Ukraine, which would be very, very difficult, I would imagine, if that happens. But also, they've now got 2 million people quarantined. Can you believe how crazy human beings are? Some people want to fight each other and blow each other up. But hang on a minute, I'm a bit busy. I'm over here dying of COVID. It's like the world is an absolute crazy, crazy place. SoFi is down 1.52. VU is up 0.48. This is why I'm moving more of my money into this. I'm growing this to 20%. It's at 13.5% right now. Moving more and more into it all the time. Tesla is down but moving up. Rivian is down and it's flat right now. Now you remember I made money with Rivian. I made $400, and then I bought. Then I sold it. Put that $400 back into VU. I've lowered my average. I'm at 37.50 right now, so I'm down $200, 5%. I'm not going to buy any more. Their outlook isn't great right now, but I will hold the 100 I have and trim it as it goes up. Now then, Virgin Galactic, one of my big stocks. It's 11% of my portfolio right now. I'm down 4%. 757. I'm not going to buy any more at this price. I'd buy more at 6. But that's really it. Amazon, I've got a full share of Amazon, and we're up today 0.33, which means I'm up 2.5%. If we look at my Google as well, all the way across here, that's up today as well. I'm down slightly, $14 on it. Coca-Cola, I'm also up 0.56. Yo, good afternoon. Paul B is here. Right. Muzanella, GGPI is on a downtrend. I would love to catch it close to 10. I'm right with you there, Moose. Let me go over to GGPI. 1075. Yes, it is. I've got one share right now, and I last sold that at... I bought at 1086. Sold at 1137. Oh, yes. 90 shares at 1086. That is quite good. Bought my first NFT over the weekend. Paul B, how come you didn't buy one of my NFTs? You could be the very first person to own a day trader NFT, and you can trade it live in the show because you're a member. Do you want to check it out? You were the first person to buy one. I released them a few weeks ago. Here is the link. Have a look. I've got a whole day trader collection, and they're going up in value as the show gets bigger, and you can trade them as a member in the live chat as well. I will let you do that. So there we go. There is the link. I'll show you what it looks like. Fire away. Have a look. And I've made some of them just a couple of bucks. I want to make them for my traders so they can get in, to make them as cheap as possible, all right? That's the idea. Let me share. Okay, I'll share it with you right now. Here we go. Here is the day trader NFTs. Here we go. Here, I'll show you right now. There you go. So as a member, you get pre-IPO, if you like, when they first come out. As a member, you will get to see when they first come out. You'll also be able to trade them in the show. And as the show grows, it's like buying shares in the show. There you go. And if you do this, it'd be really, really great if you could tell everybody your experience, how it worked, what crypto you used, and so on. I've put them all onto the Polygon network, so I believe it's the cheapest way of doing it. There you go. So let's see what happens. Let's see if Paul B gets involved in that. There's a whole series there, and they're all day trader stuff. It's supposed to be me. See it? It's me. Woo. All right. Wouldn't that be great if we sell one? but there's some in there, just a couple of bucks. I just wanted someone to get in. Right. 10.75. Now then, I made money at this price. 10.86. Can I store them on my DeFi app? I believe so. I don't see why not. Okay, let me have a look at Gores Guggenheim right now. Yeah, it is trending down. I'm going to buy some Gores. A limit order. I'm prepared to pay 10.77, so it goes through. I'll buy 100 at that. There we go. I'll buy 50, actually. I'll buy 50 at that. How low is it now? 11.17. Yeah, it could bounce off this. So, yeah. I'm going to buy 100. Review order. 10.75. Done. I've got myself back in Gores again. There we go. I just got it in, I think. Did I get it in? Let's have a look. It's just popping up. The moment I bought it, it popped up. That'd be pretty good. That'd be pretty perfect timing. Yeah. What did I end up paying? 10.76. Yeah, literally. The moment I bought it, it nudged up. Can I store them on my DeFi app? I presume so. Tell me how you get on, because our traders would like to know how it works. I'm waiting to see if I can get it below 10.50. I don't see it. I don't see it happening. No, I just want to get in, because I made money on it at 10.86. So I see it as a bit of a bargain. It could go lower. Of course it could. Hi all. Ali Isles is here. How are you, mate? Good morning to all. Only 360 days. This is William Carom's trademark, by the way, if you've not noticed. Every day he comes in and says, good morning all. Only 360 days until Martyn's birthday. He's like a permanent calendar. I love it. Absolutely great. It's great. I have my own human calendar. It's perfect. I mean, could you ask for more in life? I don't know. I don't know how you could. It's pretty amazing. Hi all, Ali's here. Welcome to all of you. Hello family, welcome back from the weekend. Right, Zach, I'm glad you're here. We asked you a question the other day, and I think you missed it. I don't think you were here, and we didn't get an answer from you. And we want to get an answer from you about your fundraiser gig. All right, here's my NFTs again, guys. I posted it 3 times. This is for the benefit of Paul. Now, Paul, you'll be the first to get one, so there's some in there for a couple of bucks. Go and get one, and you can trade it in the channel. And I want to know how you get on. Tell me what your experience is, because people don't know how to do it yet. They're confused. They're confused with the gas fees, which is why I put it on the Polygon network. Tell me what your experience is, how it all works for you. Right, Zach, what we asked you the other day was, we did your premiere event, and it was great. I'm so chuffed. Everyone subscribed, everyone liked, everyone commented, everyone shared. Couldn't have asked for better. It was absolutely brilliant. But what I want to know is, Zach, in the next couple of weeks, we'd like to do your fundraiser gig. Okay? We will do it in between the opening and closing bell. All right? We'll do it in between the opening and closing bell. So it'll be around about in 3 hours from now, in a couple of weeks' time. And I want to ask you, because our traders will need to know this, we know what you want the money for. We know you want the money for, what you do in Uganda with getting clean water and planting trees and all that stuff, improving the environment for people, and getting them the most basic needs like water. We know that. But how much money What target shall we set? What is a realistic figure? We're only a small channel, of course, and it's just us, right? But what do you think is a realistic target? What amount of money would make some kind of difference? All right? We want the lowest amount that would make some difference, and if we can exceed it, that would be great. But how much would make a difference to you? How much would make a difference to your charity, what you're trying to do? You know, what would $100 do? What would $200 do? Give me an idea of a number that we could set as a target, and then we will try our very, very best to get that target for you. That's kind of what we're trying to do. And I asked you the other day, but I think you must have came out of the stream or whatever, so we missed it. But how much is it that would make a difference? Let me know, and that's what we'll try and aim to do. All right? Gauze is going down 1069. Let's have a look. Mullen looking better now. I'll buy some on the dip. Here is the reason. Mullen, everybody. This is the one. Mullen Automotive. This is what we've been given the tip here. As you can see, it's now firing up 31%, 32% pre-market. It's firing off. We were told about it from Peru Invest. We didn't get involved in it. Now you're chasing the stock. You can't get involved now because you're chasing the stock. You need to pull back. 31% pre-market. Thank you, Moose, for the information. We're coming to 15 minutes before the market goes. Thank you for the follow over there on TikTok. 33 up on pre-market today. Absolutely incredible stuff. 133% this week. Wow. Look at that. It pops up, drops back. Look at that. Difficult to get into it now, though, right? When you see it like that, hopefully my root does something. Here we go. Let's look at root. Root is 155. I've only got 100 shares of it. But having said that, though, 100% would do all right. Mullen is still firing off. VU is up 0.35 today. Look at our crypto, down again. Ethereum, Bitcoin. Let's have a look at it on the live position. Yeah, down again. Coke is up 0.56. Google is up 0.1. Apple is down today, 1.83. Boeing is up today, 1. Rolls-Royce, what we're doing with Rolls-Royce today, that's also down. On Lucid. Lucid is down 1.3. Down 7% now. Meta is down. Twitter, Nvidia, Rivian, Virgin Galactic down 1.5. A lot of stuff falling back now. SoFi, let's look at GGPI. We just bought some this morning, 1076, still falling though. Mullen is now 31. What do you make of that, folks? Right, here we go. We're coming up to 15 minutes before the market opens fully. In 30 seconds from now, get ready. Deep in the money is here. McDonald's, MCD. It was going down since 2014 and it's got a lot of interest, but now the real buying will come when it's over 5. This is Mullen right now. Here we go, 15 minutes from now. We're off and running. It was going down since 2014. It's getting a lot of interest now, but the real buying will come when it gets over 5. See the article I sent? Okay, let me bring it up. Let me share this information with you. Muzana has sent us a very interesting article in. Peru Invest is in Mullen. We had the information last week. We had it down here at 99 cents. And it's gone up dramatically since then, over 100% since then. We were told about it from Peru Invest. I wonder how many of you took it up on it. Let's bring this in. I'm going to share with you on the screen. Just change the screen a minute so I can bring in. Here we go. Just bear with me as I bring in the Mullen information from Muzanella. Why it's so interesting. Okay. Here we go. This is it right now. Mullen featured on CarBuzz, the 5 EV crossover production plans and market strategy. Here we go. CarBuzz recently interviewed Mullen's CEO and chairman David Mitchery about Mullen's 5 EV crossover. There we go. CarBuzz is the world's premier car-related news site and app that covers the industry. A lot of buzz about it. Okay, I get that. I had a great discussion with Ian from CarBuzz about EVs and our plans for the future, said David Mitchery, CEO and chairman of Mullen Automotive. I'm delighted that leading automotive publications like CarBuzz are covering Mullen and providing readers like an opportunity to learn more about us. The CarBuzz article featured interviews with Michael and Vice President Mechanical Systems. Mullen's recently announced a string of key partnerships with Hover Powertrain, Arc, Dürr, DSA Systems. What makes this interesting though? What is different about this? Here we go. About Mullen. Mullen is a Southern California-based automotive company that owns and partners with several synergistic businesses working toward the unified goal of creating clean and scalable energy solutions. Mullen has evolved over the past decade in sync with consumers and technology trends. Today, the company is working directly to provide exciting EV options built entirely in the United States and made to fit perfectly into the American consumer's life. Mullen strives to make EVs more accessible than ever by building an end-to-end ecosystem that takes care of all aspects of EV ownership. Okay. Look at interesting. There's the information. That's what's getting the buzz right now. That's why it's trending right now. Now, Peru Invest likes it. Let's have a look. Bit of a pullback. Set a limit order. Let's have a little pop at this then, shall we? Whoops. What's 100? What do you think? Let's go back to the trading screen. We're waiting for a pullback. Another article came out saying it won over all the other vehicles in the show. See, we were told about it down here when it was 60 cents. Well, no, it wasn't actually. We were down here a week ago. 108. When did that article come out? When did this article? Monday, March 14th. Okay, this has just come out this morning. Okay. I've bought 500. I bought 500. The hype because of the news. I'll wait for the dip. Yeah. What I'll do is I will edge my bets. I will buy 500 now, and then I'll buy 500 when it drops. Another article came out saying it won over all the other vehicles in the show. What goes up most come down. The hype because of the news. I'll wait for the dip. Yeah, makes sense. But that's why I've done 500, because I thought, okay, I'll do 500 now. If it goes up, great. If it doesn't, then I will... I'll buy some more on the dip. That's kind of what I want to do. Let's see what happens. 9 minutes to 8 and just under 9 minutes to go now. Still moving up. I'm up at the moment, $5. So this is Peru Invest. Is Peru Invest in the house right now? What does Peru Invest think on this one? Let's take a little look back. Let's sort of pan out and get a little look where we are. If you look at it over the period, we've been up as high as $16 on this share. Look. So we are at some of its all-time lows. It's been around for a while. It's been around now. Let's have a look at the market cap. 47 million. It's quite a small company. 1590 was its high. Average volume 241. It's a very small company. 2010. It's been around now for 12 years. Let's get more information on it. Mullen Automotive incorporates a Southern California-based electric vehicle company that operates in various verticals of business focused within the automotive industry. It operates Synergistic Business, Car Hub, a digital platform that leverages artificial intelligence to offer an interactive solution from buying and selling and owning a car. And Mullen Energy, a division focused on advanced battery technology and emerging point-of-care solutions. The company was founded on April 20, 2010. Its headquarters in California. The listed name is Mullen. Going to do some more research on this. I'm up now. I just bought 500 shares of it. Let's have a look. We've got a bit more information just coming in now from Moose. We've got 6 minutes to go. I heard Mullen got like $500 in cash, yet $500. What? What are we buying? I heard Mullen got $500 in cash. What the heck? It's firing up now. We need to get much more information on it. I've got some information here coming through from Musanella, so I'm going to bring it into you right now. Here we go. I've got the information coming through now. Bear with me. Here we go. This is information just being shared now with us. More on Mullen. Let's have a look at it. Let's have a look. Okay, here we go. All right. So it's successful consumer EV market study reveals Mullen 5 scores high against Tesla Model Y and Ford Mach-E. Results from a comprehensive 6-month EV exploration study and conceptual benchmark test indicates that the Mullen 5 is conceptually higher competitive with the Tesla Model Y and Ford Mach-E. Results will support Mullen's U.S. Department of Energy's ATVM loan application for $450 million. Okay, so it's a company right at the beginning of its story, right? But, I mean, the shares are low right now, so you could get involved. This is worth more of a read. So the link's in the chat. Go and take a look at it. We'll come back to that once the market opens if we get time. Dan, the loan might have a chance of getting approved. It's been out. It has been out since 2014. Right, let's get back. We've got 3 minutes to go now. Markets are pumping up. Let's go back to, so we'll keep Mullen there as well. Let's have a look. Right, we're up now. Well, we're down 0.35, but we are pushing up. Let's watch Mullen. Mullen is up now, 34%. I'm up 3.41% on it at the moment. Let's fix our TikTok. There we go. Welcome to everybody on TikTok. Root. If you want to be one of the very first people to follow me over on Truth Social, my account is out. I have 2 accounts, at Martyn Lucas and at The Day Trader. You can follow me on both of those accounts. If you are interested. We've got 2.5 minutes. I'll be buying 10,000 shares when it dips. Whoa, very nice. 10,000 shares. I've only bought 500. You're making me look bad. What's going on? All right. We're moving up now, 0.32. Mullen is now up 36.3. I'm up 4.5% now. I bought 500 shares of it. Root. I'm a financial advisor. You've never said that before. You've always said, I'm not a financial advisor. What's going on today? You feel very confident. Vanguard is up 0.29. For the very first time ever, Muzanella is saying, I am a financial advisor. I've never heard that before. I'm not. Oh, there you go. I was going to say, what's going on? Is this like an inside tip? When he says that, he's really sure it's going to go up. I was quite surprised. Rivian is now firing off again. It's lifting up. Yeah, it's like an inside knowledge. When someone says I am a financial advisor, it means it's gonna go up to the moon, and we don't even use the moon. Right, here we go. 1 minute 20 seconds to go. The portfolio is now moving up. Pre-market, I'm up. I'm still down. Mullen is up 34% now. I'm up 3%. I only called it at 30%. I'm up $25. Could do a quick trade. Here we go. Minute to go. Let's get ready to go. To the moon. Yeah, you're to the moon. You know what I think about that. I'm not a financial advisor, but I did stay at the Holiday Inn Express last night. How is that relevant? How is that relevant to anything? I did stay at the Holiday Inn. Alright, here we go. What's it going to do? 20 seconds to go. Are you excited? Are we going to see a bounce today? Is it a dead cat bounce, as someone said to me the other day? Don't believe in any of that stuff. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. We're there. Let's bring us back up to there. Right, here we go. Mullen is still moving up. Right, the portfolio is now dropping back again. Mullen is firing off up 35%. I'm up $30 on it at the moment. Root is 156. It's firing off. I will put a limit order in place again. once I've got some money out of it. The DT, the day trader army versus Shiba army. That's it. That's it. You got it. That's it. They're not here today, are they? They might follow me on Truth Social. Be the first ones. Come on, I need all my day traders to get on Truth Social at Martyn Lucas and at the Day Trader. I've got 2 accounts. One's more music, one's more the Day Trader. Get on there. Follow me. What's going on? Right. SoFi going down. There we go. Mullen's still going up. There's the man I live for every day. How's the Rocket Man doing? Hello, Sam. How are you, mate? That's quite a statement to make. You're very, very welcome. Mullen is up. Whoa, look at this firing up this morning. I hold 30 million Shibas, so I represent both armies. 30 million. Sounds so good, doesn't it, when you say it like that? 30 million, it's about 6 pence. About 6 pence. Anyway, I give away all my Shiba every day. But who knows? Anyway, Mullen is up 43% now. Flipping out, I'm up 10%. Hey, what do you think of this, Moose? Moose, what do you think of this? What do we make of this? It looks like it will have over 300 million shares trading hands today. Whoa. What do you think of this, mate? I mean, look at it. It's technically it could. I mean, it's been as high as $15 a share. $100 I've made now. That's good. I made 12%. Make that 12.5%. Wow, look at that. Pretty impressive. A lot of excitement. The overall market is down. Let me check my VOO. My VOO's doing all right, up 0.26. I'm flat on the day. It's a wash. Right, but the overall portfolio is going down, and that will be because of Rivian. Yep, thought so. SPCE. Yep, that's a big one. Oh, 696. 757, 696. Tesla is crashing. Yes. Tesla's down. Wow, yes it is. Yes it is. 822. Wow. Got to buy a Tesla at that. Buy on the way down. $768. Got to buy a Tesla at that price. You got to buy a Tesla at this. 30 million shit will cost you 530. I didn't pay that though. There you go. I just bought one at 766. Bloody hell, look at this. Pick up some cheap Tesla today. Wow. On one of my penny stocks, I'm 205% up today so far. Nice one. Slowing down. $765. $763. $762. Look at Tesla crashing today. 761. It's crazy that Tesla, one of the biggest companies in the world, and it moves when with the speed of a penny stock. Look at that. Thank you very much, Leah. 761, 760. They are. Bought another one. $760. What is up with Tesla's crash? Unbelievable. I'm picking up that up. Wow. Wow. 157. 757. 756. All-time low now. Mullen is firing off. I'm up 12.5%. Root. SoFi picking up. VU holding. 758. Watch Tesla very closely. I have no idea. Does anyone know why Tesla is crashing today? Wow, there we go. It's getting it's hit it. There we go. 761. It's hitting a barrier. That's where I. That's it. $763. Did you just take advantage of that? I did. I bought 3. Take a look, Mullen. I've just bought more Mullen. Wow, look at Mullen now. I'm up 12.5%. Peru Invest, how high do you think this is going to go? Any idea? Can't buy Mullen. Down too much in root. Root 151 was my sell-off point. Back to Tesla. 764. Are we going to bounce back from here? Did we get an opportunity here to buy in? Tesla 763. I just picked up 3 shares of Tesla at that price. Lowered my average to 809. It used to be 1200. 762, 761. $760, $759. If someone can tell me why we think Tesla is crashing today, let me know. Let me look at the chart. Let me see what's going on. Yeah, we've had a big candle. Let me show you here. Here is the Tesla chart this morning. Big sell-off this morning. I wonder if it's Elon Musk himself. I wonder if that's his final set of shares he was gonna sell. If anyone gets any inside information on that, let me know. But that's a huge drop this morning, as you can see, 759. I love the company though. I love what they're doing. I see this as an opportunity to get in though. I really do. Their earnings reports get better every time. Wow, 760. Elon already sold 90% of his shares a few months ago. Yeah, I thought he had more to go, though. 761. Down 4%. Did you pick it all up? You could make some money here. Back to Mullen right now. Mullen is coming off the top. Is it going to keep going or come back down? It's holding. Maybe China lockdown hasn't Tesla got that they got a big base there. Yes, yeah, the lockdown in China might not have helped. New lockdown in China could well be. Yeah, 760, 759. Whoa. Did you ever think you'd see these prices again? Wow. Didn't expect to see that. Waiting for Tesla to go under 500, really? Look at Peru. Look at Mullin Automotive now, 193. All right, I'm going to set a trading loss now on this. A trailing stop order. I'm up 10%. So trailing stop order percentage. This could go down. I'll put 10% in. 250. A trading stop order, a percentage of 10%. I'll sell 250. Review order. That way I won't lose any money. Hey, Bashra, Howard, how are you? I'm just looking at this now, Mullen and thinking, put a stop trading order. I've made 9% on it. If I put a stop trading loss of 10%, then I can't lose any money. It will just go either keep going or protect that position. And I'll sell half. Right. Stop trailing order 250. That's half the shares, and that'll mean I won't lose my money. I'll just either make more. Stock's trying to bounce. Come on, baby, let's go. Let's review the order. Oh no, hang on. That was a sell. Yeah, sell. Stop trailing order percentage 10%. Good for the day. Review the order. Here we go. If that drops 10%, there you go. So there we go. At the moment, stop trailing order at 178. It will sell at 178. Let me refresh the screen and you should see it change. 178, that will just keep changing. It will keep moving up, hopefully. Yeah, we're making money in the red market, yeah. 178. Here we go. Just want to see this change now. 178. Still 178. I want to see this. I want to see this update. Never made a stop trading loss work for me. 178. Yeah, there we go. 182. There you go. There you go. So I'm going to sell half of my Mullen shares if it drops 10%, and I'm up to 13%. So I will make money, and I'll still keep the other ones. Okay. So that's good. That protects it. Okay. The market is bouncing back. Let's go back to Tesla. Tesla's now pulling back up again. 775. Look at that for a bounce back. Just sent a link why Tesla is going down. Okay, let's have a look. I haven't seen the link yet. Where is it? Okay. Stock inflation must tweet. Okay, here we go. Right, we've just got the buying coming back in now for Tesla. 809. I've got 9 shares of it now. And a lot of stuff going on at once now. Musanella just sent me in information. All right, let me open it up. Here we go. This is why Tesla stops again as issue starts to Tesla stocks drops again as issues start to pile up. Tesla shares are lower again, adding to Friday's significant decline as investors weigh the impact of another tweet from CEO Elon Musk and focuses on factors that might hurt the EV company's earnings in 2022. Sunday, Musk said that Tesla, as well as its privately held space company SpaceX, were seeing significant recent inflation pressure in raw materials and logistics, adding in a subsequent tweet, "We are not alone. We are not alone." There we go. That's what it was. It's a tweet. But you know, the whole world is like that. We are not alone. That really is what it's about. We are not alone. All companies are in the same. The company will... competition between other companies will remain the same, and I'd say Tesla will still come out on top. So I see this is an opportunity now to buy that dip. In fact, that's exactly what I did do. I bought the dip this morning, and as we can see, I've made some money because I bought at 760. So I could sell one share right now for a profit if I wanted to, but I'm going to hold that. 34. Right, we're down 1.5%. We're moving. All right, we've now got that information from Zach we've been waiting for. Fundraiser 2 aims to raise $8,300 to drill one borehole to provide a clean and safe water source. Please check out our link. Hang on a minute. All right. You put something else there a minute ago. Where was it? There we go. Yes, mate. Thanks for the information. Right now, I'm running 2 online fundraisers to raise $740 to support 2 young tailors. Link for my information. Okay. Well, if we could be part of that, we'd be very happy to do so. Hey, Bashara Howard, good morning. Everything's going down. Tesla on way up. Yes, indeed. Yay, we're making money in a red market. I sent links why Tesla's going down. We got the tweet from Elon Musk. The buying's coming back in again now. Look at Tesla. We got green candles now. People are buying back in. I saw that as an opportunity. I took that trade. And I invested in more in Tesla this morning. Hi, Moose. Hi, Sean. Beatles is here. Let's have a look. Okay, Mullen. Mullen is now 197. I will be selling half if it drops below my 10% stop trading loss. So if we look at that now, that is now set at, if I refresh the screen, we can have a look at it. I'll come back to it. Root is now picking up again. Mullen is now, I'm up $100. Right, that trading loss will sell at 183. 183, I would sell a half of my stock in Mullen. 183. So basically, a 10% drop. Hey Beatles, good to have you here. There we go, it's starting to fall. 183, half will be sold. $183, half will be sold. Is it gonna go? Take out half of those. Watching closely. Over on TikTok, welcome to you. Thanks for the rose, by the way. Don, is that Dontis? Donsty. 190, 183 to 250 will be sold. Is it going to go back up again? Quick look at Tesla. Tesla's now 785. I'm down 3% now. Vanguard S&P is moving up. Very, very nice. Up a quarter, up a third of a percent. SoFi, Root, holding around that 151. Mullen, 192. It will sell at 183. Or it will sell half of it. The overall portfolio is down 1.54. Hey Bill, hey mate, Ali, welcome. If you've just tuned in, subscribe or ring the bell, give us a thumbs up, and welcome everybody. If you can now get on Truth Social, I am now on Truth Social. If you want to follow me, it's at Martyn Lucas or at The Day Trader. Here is my account. This is my Martyn Lucas one. The Day Trader one is not visible yet, but you can still follow me if you can get on. I was one of the first to get it. So there you go. I have 17 followers already. At Martyn Lucas and at The Day Trader. Come and join me and be one of my followers. It's going to be the fastest growing platform right now. Great time to grow on a new platform when they first come out. So it's pretty wild and crazy. Everyone's following everybody. So there you go. 192. Root is now 151. SoFi 812. VU is holding up. Tesla. I said hey earlier and I got ignored. Damn, must be a dog eat dog world. Mark Korn, I didn't see you. Mark Korn, how are you? Have I got a link? Yes, of course I have. I'll give you the link right now. I think, in fact, it's already here. I put it in my Day Trader. Here it is. Here's the link. Now, when you get this, it will say it's not a correct link because remember, it's still not fully complete app. You need the app, all right? It's just at The Day Trader. Or I've also got the other one, which is the one I've got right now, which is Martyn Lucas. Okay, at Martyn Lucas. All right, there you go. Here's the other one. That's the one you can see. You can get to both of them, but this is the one you can actually see content on. All right, got it? Okay, great. You got it. Go and follow me. Get involved. Great time to grow right now on a new platform like that. 197, 196. Up 60% now this week. Up 197, 198, 198. We are all excited about Tesla going nuts. We were all excited about Tesla going nuts. Yeah, sorry, Mark. Right, everybody, let's focus on what's important. Our friends. Mark Korn has not been very well. I'm just in oil at the moment. Mark Korn, how are you feeling? Mark Korn, let's send some love to Mark Korn. He's not been feeling very well. He's not been here for a while. And we all ignored him when he came in and said hello. We were all doing Tesla going crazy. So would we all please welcome Mark Korn in? All right, welcome back. Welcome back, Mark. Terrible. I apologise. There we go. I'm making amends. Welcome back, Mark. Everyone do the same. If you're not doing it, you're a bad person. Ronaldo made Mark feel better. There we go. There you go. I've done my part. If the rest of you haven't done it, why not? Feel bad. Feel guilty. Welcome back, Mark. There we go. Mullen is 195 now. I've set to sell 250 at 183. 10%. SoFi, VU, Vanguard. Right, I'm up today, 0.3 on my Vanguard. I'm on a wash right now. Tesla has been the big issue. The big issue has been Tesla, but I've bought the dips. Welcome back, Mark. Right, so back to Zach and his fundraiser. So Zach is trying to do. Let me copy and paste this. I want this from my information. This one here seems achievable. Remember, we're only a small channel at the moment. So let me get this one up. Zach, scroll all the way back up here. Here it is. I want this one here. I'm going to copy that. Because I'm going to give Zach a free fundraiser concert. As a silver member, he gets a 20-minute concert. There we go. All right. This is what we're going to do. We're going to do a concert for Zach. It'll be a 20-minute, half an hour concert, completely free, and all the money will go directly to this event here. This one here. I'm posting it in the chat right now. Okay, that's what we're going to do, and it's going to go to. He needs to raise $740 to support 2 young tailors. And I will bring you all the information about it. I will set up the show for it, and we'll do it in a couple of weeks' time, all right? That's what we'll do. Glad you're back. That's the campaign we're going to do. Root is 149, SoFi, VU, Tesla. Let's go back to the day position. Bitcoin is up. Well, it's a wash, really. Same with Ethereum, not doing anything. That's why I'm out of it. There's more opportunities elsewhere. Back on the mend, luckily. Glad you're back and glad you're on the mend. Apple is down 1.57. Boeing is also down 1.2. Rolls-Royce is moving up. Truth Social only in the USA at the moment. Yeah, but you could use a VPN. Oh, I see, on the App Store. Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Sorry about that, mate. I forgot to mention. Yeah, you're right. Darn it. Well, for the rest of you, sorry about that, Beatles. Here he is. Get the app, folks. Follow me. I've got the Day Trader and I've got Martyn Lucas. And I'm over on Truth Social, one of the first to use it. And it's an explosive time right now because it's just started. But there you go. It will come soon, I'm sure, on the App Store in the UK. It's bound to, isn't it? Rivian is now down 35. Remember, I made money from Rivian. It's now down again. We're down. Oh, my God. We are at the all-time lows right now, folks. All-time lows now. Root is going down. Root, SoFi, VU. I'm actually up on that. Still down 10 bucks on it though. But you can see why I'm moving in it more and more because the market's like this. I've lowered my average to 809 now with Tesla. Tesla's back down, yes. But a lot better than it was, Ali. A lot better than it was. It's pushing up again. I think a lot of people will see this as an opportunity to buy in. Let's look at the Tesla chart and see what it's doing. Yeah, look, I'll show you. We've had some red candles as well, but let me show you. But here it comes. Look, see, we had those big buy-ins and a bit of a sell-off, but I do see this as going back up again. Because at the end of the day, everyone's going to be in trouble. Everyone's going to be struggling, right? Equally. And I would say Tesla probably have a better position than anyone else. They are very, very good at getting the job done. Beautiful. Thank you so much, mate. Yeah, Zach will do that. There we go. Tesla's moving up. I'm down just 3% now. And on a day when it dropped over 4%, I would regard that as a win. 34, we're pushing up. 188. We should have known when investing became mainstream and popular, the party was over. We should have known when investing became mainstream and popular, the party was over. There's no part. The party's not over. Come on. Let's be optimistic. Bitcoin is flat. Ethereum is lifting up a little bit. Not much, though. Coca-Cola is 1.64. Google is trying to rebound. Apple is pushing up. Boeing is trying to return. Rolls-Royce is up. On is recovering. PayPal is up 2% today. PayPal's a success story today. What about Robinhood? Robinhood is pushing back up. Lucid is down 1.79, but now improving. We're getting markets now improve. This is typical Monday morning sell-off, guys. 10.72. So we got a bit of a rebound here this morning. Facebook pushing up 1%. Palantir down 2.28. Nvidia down but pushing up. Everything's trying to rebound. Twitter's coming back. Twitter now has competition, of course, with Truth Social. Amazon, I'm still up on Amazon. Virgin Galactic is now pushing up as well. Made a big improvement. Rivian is bottomed out at 35.42. Look at that. Holding now at 35. I'm not going to buy any more. I've got plenty of Rivian in my portfolio. Tesla, I've got 9 shares now, 10% of my portfolio, and load my averages. Vanguard S&P, 0.24. SoFi, Root, Mullion, 183. There we go. It's sold. It's sold 250. I took a profit. So there you go. I sold 250 at 181. Didn't think it'd go at 181. I thought it was 183. That's a bit weird. Not liking this stop trading loss so far. I could do better manually. I would have picked it better manually, but never mind. Right. Let's leave Mullen right there. Yeah, you know, these stop trading loss. They're too mechanical, clunky. You can see that was going to bounce back there. I'm not having much success with the stop trading losses. I prefer manual, doing it by manual, feeling it, sensing it. I would have had 500 shares now bouncing back up. It's too clunky. You're not in touch with what's going on. Yeah, anyway, whatever. Should never look back. We should know when investing. We've read that one, haven't we? So what we'll do, Zach, I'll pick a day in a couple of weeks' time. We'll set the gig up. We'll let everybody know, and then we'll do it. All right? That's what we'll do. Hi everyone, Nudge It, Budget, Move It is in the house. Nicholas said, best is a Chinese company with 1 billion in cash or 150 million in debt, and yet its market cap is only 150 million. Seems insane. It does, doesn't it? Nudge It, Budget, Move It is here. Hi everyone, how are you, mate? Lovely to have you with us. Nudge It, Budget, Move It. Here he is in the house. Let's welcome Nudge It, Budget, Move It, our sponsor, one of our sponsors. We have 3 sponsors right now. And we are just coming up now to a wash. We're down 0.5%. Things are improving. Root is holding at 151. SoFi is holding. Vanguard is improving 0.5%. Good. Mrs. still has COVID, but managed to dodge it so far. Oh, look at that. Would everybody please send what's your wife's name? Nudge It, Budget, Move It. What's your wife's name? Let's all send some love to Nudge It to Alex's wife. Nudge It, Budget, Move It. He's our sponsor, and his wife's got COVID. Let's, Tester's moving up again. Julie. All right, everybody. You know what you have to do? Get well, Julie. In the chat, please. Get well, Julie. Julie, that's Alex's wife. Nudge It, Budget, Move It, our sponsor. And she's got COVID. We want to blow up the chat. Let Julie know that we did this, right? Everybody, I can't be the only one. If I'm the only one, you need to feel bad. Need Mullen to make a move here. Let's go back. I wish Julia a speedy recovery. Nicholas Morello, thank you very much indeed. Mullen, 182, 182. Where did I buy it in? Where did I buy it in? I bought it to 176. Get well, Julie. There you go. Everyone's doing it. All right. If you've just tuned in and you're from America, I'm now on Truth Social. I've got my app. There is the link for Martyn Lucas, and here is the link for the day trader. If you're able to get on there, only 100,000 people on it right now. I was 100,000 in the queue, and I've just got mine this morning, so it's hardly anybody on it right now. So most of you might not even be on it. But if you can get the app, it's only on the App Store in the US. It's not a website. I've just sold all my Mullen. I made a wash. I made the first profit. Is it Trump social thing? Yes, it is. It is. So I bought at 176. I sold half at 181. Yeah. Didn't really, this flipping, I don't like it. This stop trading order, I don't like it. It's not really, doesn't really work for me. I don't have any control over it. I set it and then just watch it do the wrong thing every time. I hate it. I made money on it. I mean, I guess overall. But yeah, I don't like it. I have to be honest. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I prefer manual trading. I'm not really a fan of this at all. You set a number and it's just, you just watch it make a mistake every time. It's like, I don't know why I just stood there and let it do it. I felt that was the top. Today, 193. I could have made myself 120 bucks. The key is not to lose money. The key is not to lose money. Yeah, I haven't lost any money. I've made about $12. But the point I'm making is I had 120 bucks, felt it was at the top, could have sold it and took the profit, and I didn't. I set a stop trading loss. It's just, I prefer to feel it. I honestly do. Stocks you want to hold is fine. Stocks you want to hold is fine. Like Tesla, for example, you want to hold that. That's fine. But Mullen right now, new companies, a lot of risk. When you make a decent profit, 10, 20, 30%, you sell it. Well, if you set a stop trading loss, it doesn't feel it out. You're not connected to the stock. The key is not to lose money. Yep, get well, Julie. Penny stocks is pure gambling. I agree. But I should have just sold it, and that's what I would have done. I'm really starting to think this stop trading loss it's just a lazy man's approach. If you just want to walk away and know that you're not going to lose money or whatever, it's but it can wipe, you can wipe a really good profit out as well though. So I'm not a fan of it. Right, Tesla has turned green. Tesla has turned green. We're about to go green for the day. Who would have thought it? Day trader of the day. Let's go to your main portfolio. Go to your main portfolio. Go to your day position. And I am up. Oh, yes. I'm up 0.08. I'm going to call it that. Right. There we go. Go to your main portfolio. Go to your day position and put your score up on the screen. Let's see if anyone is better or worse than me right now. There we go. Sometimes I put a stop in and then it hit change order to market and wait for it to run as it's at the top. Turn it into a market order, so you basically have both. Oh, I see. Gas should be going down. Nicholas Morello, gas should be going down. I'm up 3.67. All right, let's give you the timer. Get your scores on the screen. Here we go. Everybody now, let's see what you're doing. Ali is up 3.67. Looking good. Bill is down 2.41. Flatline, Beetle Sean. So Ali, our fireman, is up so far. 3.67. 10 seconds to go. Who's going to win? PLTR, a nice bounce off 11. 3, 2, 1. Okay, there we go. Right. The winner is, it looks like the winner today is Ali. Let's all congratulations. Let's give Ali a big thank you for his honest trades. Give him a thumbs up and give him a big round of applause. There we go. Absolutely awesome. There we go. Nice one, Ali. Congratulations to you. Did very, very well today. Absolutely great. Just to be up by any amount is a win in my book. There we go. Congratulations. Musanella said congratulations. Now then, PLTR. Let me have a look at that one. PLTR is down at the moment, but rising again. Well done, Ali. Mark Korn. Mark Corn's not been very well, and he's back with us today. So we're very happy to see Mark with us today. Got to see his comedy over there on TikTok. If you've not checked him out, check who my followers are, and you'll see I follow Mark Corn. If you like a bit of off-the-wall, pretty wild and crazy comedy, Mark Corn is your man on TikTok. What you do is you look at my TikTok account, which I'll give to you right now, and you can see who I'm following. And I only follow the people that my members, okay? I only follow my members. That's what I do. So here is my day trader account, TikTok, and I've also got the Martyn Lucas one as well. You can go and have a look if you like. If you like, here it is. Is my Martyn Lucas one as well. Okay, you got the TikTok, you got the day trader, and you got the Martyn Lucas one. There you go. All right. I'm surprised I haven't been banned. I'm surprised you haven't been banned, to be quite honest. He's trying to get banned. He tries to be as dramatic as possible. I'm sure he's trying to get banned. Anyway, I'm out of Mullen right now. See, this is what I don't like about it. With a stop trading loss, you get little ripples like this, and then you're out, and it's very difficult to win on something like this. Root is down at 150 right now. SoFi is pushing up. VU is up now 0.68. And Tesla is now up 0.25%. Oh, it's just gone flat again. I'm down 1.79. I've got an average now of 809. Much better. Much better. Keep lowering the average. Check out Mark Corn's channel. We should be doing a duet with Martyn. He can sing a good song. Rivian is pushing up as well. Virgin Galactic is trying to lift off. Amazon today. Let's go and check some news, shall we? Has anybody followed me today on Truth Social? I've got 17 followers now. Can't wait to set up my day trader one. Let me see if it's available yet. I'm just waiting for it to go live. I've set the account up. But just waiting for it. It's just sign in. Sign in. The day trader at martynlucas.com. Invalid email. No, it's not. Does that sometimes. Sometimes it says it's an invalid email, and it isn't. We know it's not. I got some music on YouTube that I've released if anyone's interested. Oh, look at that. Mark Corn. Shall I bring up his channel? Here's Mark Corn's channel. Look, it's one of our members. 992. Let's promote Mark Corn today. Here we go. If you've not subscribed yet to Mark Corn, he's on 992 subscribers. Let's see if we can get him to 1,000 subscribers. There we go. I've just subscribed to you. 992. 900. I don't know. I can't believe I wasn't subscribed to you. Bit weird. 992. I already was. Yeah, 992. Wonder why that was showing there. 992. If you've not yet subscribed to Mark Corn, there's his channel. Let's get him to 1,000, shall we? Right, the portfolio is a complete wash right now. Ali, you will make money today besides the fundamentals combination of the brain and the gut and the support and resistance if we are in regular times. YouTube is broken. YouTube is broken. Everything's broken today. I don't think anything's working anymore. In fact, my Truth Social, I can't even log in now. All of a sudden, it's saying Oh, yeah, there we go. Back to our portfolio. Over on TikTok. Let's end the stream a minute. Got to fix that screen. There we go. As I promised, I bought a lot of Neo too at $15. Muln is at 182, up 34%. See, I wouldn't have sold that now. Hate stock trading losses. It's too mechanical. You don't feel anything out. Got to stop doing it. Root at 150. SoFi, VU, Vanguard, plus 63. I've got 6 to go. Let's have a look. 992. Did it go up? 992. 994. Oh, there we go. Very close now. If anyone has not yet signed and subscribed to Mark Corn's channel, he just wants 6 more subscribers and he'll be at 1,000. Absolutely awesome. I want to see you do it today. Right, I'm completely at a wash right now. Mullen is just going sideways now. Kevin, if you have double accounts, even if you have double accounts, yeah, I'll have a little look. I've got a few accounts. I'll do my best when I finish the show. I'll have a look. I think I've done it all for you, but I will check. Tesla 794 at a wash right now, down 1.85. Rivian. Right, we're up today very slightly. Let's have a look. Bitcoin is up 1%. Ethereum is up slightly. Coca-Cola is up nearly 2%. Google is just down slightly. Apple. Boeing is up today 1%. Not a great day today. I thought today would be better than this. I think everyone's waiting to see what the peace talks are going to be. But to be honest with you, I don't think anyone for a minute believes that any good news is going to come out. Shall we see if we can get some good news? Let's see if we can get some news. Yo, you want some chicken to go? Yes, I want some chicken to go. Let's, it's smash the like Robert. Who's going to be the first? Smash. It's going to be me because Bubble's not here. Smash the like. I think it's going to be me. Yep, it's me. I am the first. There we go. Smash the like. Mark Corn was second. Right. Let's see if we've got any breaking news. Let me go over to Sky News. Let's see if we can bring any breaking news in for you. Here we go. Here's Sky News now.
And they believe that this scheme is the way to make that happen, providing a home, a shelter.
We're talking about now giving homes to the people from Ukraine seeking some comfort. We can, in England, we are now opening our houses up and you can take someone in and give them a home. I think that's really, really cool. Love that idea. And the government will even give you some financial assistance as well, which is very, very good. Right, I'm up 0.5%. Oh, yeah. Mullen's going back down again. I'm out of it right now. I made some money. I made $12. Would have made $120 if I'd used my own intuition rather than the flipping stop trading losses. Just 4 more, you guys. A fantastic. Yeah. Thank you, Bill. I tell you what. Hang on a minute. 994. I'm going to do something. I'm going to go and check if I can be the last. 996. Hang on. Right. Stay right there. Let me see if I can. Let's see if I can be the 1,000. Right. Hang on a minute. I'll get you over 1,000. Hang on then. I'm over here. You're the part of the studio. think I'm all done, Mark. I think I've done everything for you. Yeah. Yeah, Mark, I've done my part. I can't do any more. I just wanted to check my other account. And yeah, it's all done. Seems like I'm all done. You have the maximum. You got all I have to give. I do not have anything more to give. What are we now? 996. He wants 1,000 and then he needs 4,000 watch hours. That's what he needs. Right, let's have a look. 34, we're on a wash right now. Appreciate it, buddy. I can't do no more, mate. Mullen is holding there. Root is now 149. SoFi is going sideways right now. VU is up at 0.71. It's now 13% of my portfolio. Remember, I didn't realize this until the other day, that Tesla is part of the Vanguard S&P. It's 2%. Tesla is 2%. Quite surprising. Apple is 7%. Martin, is it possible to create 100 YouTube accounts so one could artificially rise subscription? Yes, it is. But let me explain to you something really important, right? As a full-time YouTuber who now makes a basic living from YouTube, it's not about subscribers. We're having fun right now because until you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can't monetize. So it's worth it at this stage. To get to 1,000 is important, but to really grow on YouTube, it's much more than that. The most important thing on YouTube is watch time. The most important thing is people watch your video. There's even potentially the subscribe button will go away in the future because people subscribe to you, never watch you. It's like following you on Facebook, right? What is the point? If no one engages with you, it's worth nothing. All right. At this moment in time, Mark wants to get to 1,000 subscribers because then he's got half of his criteria to become a monetized channel, and he's 4,000 watch hours now. So at this point, it's worth it. But over 1,000, it isn't worth it. It doesn't do anything. All right. I would rather, like this channel, we have the most engaging channel on YouTube, right? We're very small, but everyone watches. And because everybody watches, YouTube suggests the video, and that's how we continually grow 1 or 2 and 10, 15 subscribers a day, that kind of thing. Just having subscribers that don't watch doesn't mean anything. So if we had 100 accounts and we all subscribed to Mark's YouTube channel, it only really matters to get him over 1,000. After that, it doesn't do anything. All right, it's pointless. And also on top of that, if you do subscribe to someone and your account becomes inactive, like Mark just mentioned, it doesn't actually. Eventually, it'll be deleted. YouTube will delete the subscriber. You know, some people buy subscribers. There are ways to buy subscribers. There are services you can use to buy subscribers. And all you're doing is buying robots and people in India who will click on your account with false accounts to give you subscribers, and they'll drop off. Now, there is some value in getting it when you want to get to 1,000 subscribers, but you also damage your analytics. Because if you've got lots of dead subscribers who aren't real subscribers, it tells YouTube that no one likes your account. Because if you've got 1,000 subscribers that you bought from some dodgy service and no one watches your videos, because they won't obviously watch the videos because they're not real people, right? It says to YouTube that you've got a channel with lots of people that don't like it. So it also, first of all, it tells them that your account's got fraudulent activity on it, so they don't want to promote it. And secondly, they're not going to suggest a video because the 1,000 subscribers don't even watch. So, do you see what I mean? You're better to have 10 subscribers who all love your channel, or all love your channel and watch it, because that way your 10 active subscribers who watch your videos every day are telling YouTube that these videos are popular and share it to more people, and that's how you grow. Now, I've worked with some of the biggest YouTubers in the world. I've held some conferences where I've been providing the sound and light for the conference, and I've spoke to the biggest YouTubers in the world. And there's lots to it. And if you are a gold member, you get a 2 1-hour sessions a month, and I can tell you how to do your thumbnails, how to do descriptions, how to do tags, how to grow a channel. And it's just work. It's hard work, but there are certain things you need to do. And there's no shortcut to it. If you buy subscribers or you buy views, you're basically damaging your own channel. So I'd never recommend to do it. There is some value in getting subscribers when you want to get to 1,000 subscribers. There is some value in that. But make sure that you concentrate on valuable content. It's all about valuable content more than anything else. Rob McLean's here. I have my 660 buy order locked and loaded for SPCE. Locked and loaded. Yeah, down 5% overall I am now, 718. Let's go back. We've got some breaking news here now.
It goes ahead without the Queen, Rhiannon. What have you seen so far this afternoon?
It has to be said there is a sense of celebration, I think, here at Westminster.
That's the Commonwealth. The Queen not attending the Commonwealth meeting for the first time. But that wasn't the breaking news that I thought it was. Hey, Rob. Good morning. Welcome, Rob this morning. How are you? From Scotland. Okay, we're going to wrap up the show in a few moments' time. I've got some videos I have to make. I've got some work to do in the studio. She is very frail now. She is indeed got to take care of the Queen right now. Mullen has fallen back. I took my $12 profit. It should have been 120 if I did it manually, but there you go. I'm now out of Mullen. Watch it fall back, and we'll see what happens next. Vanguard, I'm still up 0.5%. I've moved I've got 13% in it now. Tesla's edged back again, 781, 782. It's down again now. Not looking great today for Tesla. It's a hard market right now. The portfolio is down 1.45. It's all-time low today. Not surprising, is it really? You know, we've got a war going on and everything else, but it is what it is. All you can do is buy dips and hold on. Strengthen your positions, take some profits where you can. Mullen this morning, I would have made a nice little $114 profit, but unfortunately did it with the automated system, and it went against me. I'm really becoming quite annoyed with the stop trading loss. All right. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. I'm going to wrap up the show right now. I've got to get ready for my Ukraine event today. That's every weekday. And I was absolutely honoured. I can't even tell you what it felt like. Let me share with you this screen. Look at this. Right? This is one of my videos over the rainbow. And it was, I think he's mad about his auto stops. Have I mentioned it once or twice? Yeah. Yeah, look at look at this, guys. Over the rainbow. Look, 123 people saw my video in Lviv, in Ukraine. In the city of Kiev, 58 people. Look at that. Isn't that incredible? Kiev, look, 24. Go down here to Vinnytsia, 50 people. Look at this. Isn't it amazing? Isn't that amazing? There are people in Ukraine today, 123 people, that watched it in Lviv. And look, more people watched it in Lviv than anywhere else in Ukraine. And that makes perfect sense because it's the safest part over here. Second is Dnipropetrovsk, I can't even pronounce that, 79. Odessa, where they're, you know, flattened. 46 people listened to my Over the Rainbow. That, I really feel that really does put me in touch with those people. I just think it's such a beautiful thing. Nobody in Poland yet. It's all Ukraine. Look at that. Anyway, I just thought I'd share that with you. I was quite moved by that when I saw that. I thought, wow, there's actually people. And I actually got a message as well. From somebody in the Ukraine who watched the video and enjoyed it and said, thank you for supporting our country. I couldn't believe it. I was like, that's amazing. Yeah, it is amazing, isn't it? I mean, you know, I'm sitting here singing in my studio, right? And people in the Ukraine are listening to it. 150 odd people in one place and 100 and something in the other place. Yeah. Blows your mind, doesn't it? Vapor's Guide is here. Loved your Coldplay song. Was about greeting. Was about greeting. Was a boot greet. What's that mean? Is that Scottish? I don't know what that means, Rob. You need to explain what you mean there, mate. Right, Mullen is coming back up again. I'm out of it right now. Root is down to 150. I'm out right now. Oh, no. Oh, you're nearly crying. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Don't want to make you cry, mate. I don't want to make you cry. But yeah, I get quite emotional when I see my analytics like that, and it shows me that people have actually listened to it in Ukraine. It's like, wow, that's powerful. Anyway, we got 25 likes this morning. That's not bad, is it? 19 watching right now. But we're going to end the show because we've got to get ready for our Ukraine event. If you've never been part of it and you don't know what we're talking about, let me see if we got Mark Corn any more subscribers this morning. Mark Corn is up today, 996. 996, yep. Here it is. I want to share with you. I'll be live here in an hour and 20 minutes. So go to the Day Trader, go to the Martyn Lucas channel, and here is the next one. I do it every weekday. And here it is. Here is the next one. There it is in the chat. I'll post it 3 times so you can see it. I will keep sharing your Ukraine platforms on Facebook. I did share a number of groups today. Zach has to get the prize, actually, for the best, the most interactive person on our channel. Flipping hell, he is incredible at sharing stuff on Instagram and Facebook and sharing to different groups. He really does his very, very best. He really does. He's absolutely brilliant. Very impressed. Very, very impressed indeed. SoFi is down right now, 13%. Vanguard is up 0.5%. Well, I smash the likes on TikTok. Yes, you do. Sorry, Ali, I forgot. Yes, you do. I've just ended our TikTok show today because I've got to make some adjustments to it. Tesla's moving back up again. All right, I'm going to get ready for the Ukraine event. I'll see you all back for the closing bell today. Thank you ever so much for being here. And it's a tough morning. What about Tesla? Did you buy the dips this morning? Elon Musk tweeting that they're having difficulties, but no more than everyone else. And it put his shares down this morning. I just saw that as an opportunity because there's no surprise there. We all know that everyone's struggling. He's not the only one, right? Breaking news. I'll just bring it to you quickly. Let's have a look.
For all the people who are still stuck, blocked inside the city, otherwise, like with the little supply that they have left, if any, their situation will be desperate. It's really a race against time at this stage.
Yeah, Florian, as you said, hundreds of thousands of people still remain in that city for so many different reasons. They can't or they won't leave. For many people, that is their city. They refuse to leave it. and that is their choice.
Isn't it amazing to just like blows your mind? Those people in those houses, there are still people there, right? Some people in that situation are listening to my music. It just gives me the most amazing feeling that I'm doing something. Look, Lviv, 124. Look at this, right in the centre of Kyiv City. Look at that. 58 people have watched my music. Blows my mind, that does. Absolutely makes me feel, well, I'm able to do something. Makes me feel very, very responsible for what I do. Really does. Anyway, going to get off now. We're going to wrap up, I think. It's a bit of a rubbishy day, but no surprise there. We're down again. All-time lows today. So that's it from me. Thank you ever so much for being here. Thanks for subscribing, ringing the bell, all that stuff. I will be back later. We've got a lot more to do today. We want to try and get a green day at the end of it. We're waiting for the news to come out about Russia. Is there going to be peace talks? Well, there are peace talks, but are they going to be fruitful? We'll find out. Thanks for all being here. Thanks, and see you all back later on. Take care of yourselves and each other.